because, honey, I want to become a professional makeup artist. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is PALESAM and welcome to this brand new video. If you're an oldie but a goldie, thank you so much for coming back. And if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what you think of my content in the comment section down below. Today's video is in collaboration with Online Makeup Academy. If you watch my channel, you would know I love all things makeup and beauty. And when this opportunity came, I had to grab it with both hands because, honey, I want to become a professional makeup artist. So I have learned to do makeup on myself, and this is through watching YouTube videos or doing WhatsApp classes with local makeup artists. I have learned from Pinterest posts, so mostly social media has been what I have been learning from. But I do want to explore the professional aspect of becoming a makeup artist. And when Online Makeup Academy approached me, I said I would love to check out the master makeup course, which is what I am doing. They do have a variety of courses on the site, a beginner friendly one, and then there is an advanced level one. They also have special effects makeup, and they also have a hair course. I'm actually thinking about attending the hair course because you guys would know I love all things hair. It would be interesting to see what's in there, but let's not lose focus. They have given me a coupon code for my subbies, so if you want to take the course, then you can get $100 off by using my coupon PALESAM. That will give you $100 off. The course that I'm taking, which is the master makeup course, has a number of modules in it, but I absolutely love how the modules are broken down. It's the fact that I can take my time with completing this course. I think being given a specific set time for you to finish the course is rather very unrealistic because we have so much going on. I work a 9 to 5, I come back, I have YouTube and social media campaigns to work on, then I'm a mom and a wife, so that is very time consuming, but they do allow you to take your time to go through the modules. So in this video, I'm going to do my makeup. You're going to watch me get dolled up and how I get to look like this, but I'm going to do a voiceover and I'm going to let you in on a few things that I like about the course and some of the things that I learned, just a little bit, just enough to entice you into taking the course yourself. My favorite thing about Online Makeup Academy, obviously it has to do with the money, the shmoney, the coin. My favorite thing is that Online Makeup Academy allows you to pay off the fees for your course over a period of time. So you don't have to pay the full amount up front. You can make the arrangement and you can pay off the course fees over the allotted period of time. I absolutely love this because it takes into consideration everything that's happening in and around the world and the fact that these days coins are a bit scarce. So that is one of my favorite things. But I will also obtain a pro card membership from the partners, which is Frends Beauty and Nigel's Emporium. Now this means that I will get a whooping 40% off in brands such as Makeup Forever, L'Oreal, Styler, Naked Cosmetics, Becca, Beauty Blender, Anastasia Beverly Hills, Zuka, NYX, and Smashbox. And I think that's super cool because, again, I'm going to be saving coins, but I'm still going to be able to buy a high quality product. The 40% discount will make it very affordable to me because affordability is everything to me. That is also great. That is all about the makeup kit and the products. My next favorite thing is the fact that while attending these classes, at the end of some of the modules, you will have to complete a quiz. And this is just a test to see. So you can sort of see if you're catching on to the important aspects in the classes, and you will get a grade, obviously. So if you're getting 60s, 70s, then you are getting adequate information. But if you get a lower grade, you can always go back, rewatch the modules, and retake the quiz just to make sure that you have all the information. That was very lovely for me because I got to sort of gauge what I'm learning and if I'm catching all the essential things. We did also get homework. Now, I know homework is not like a favorite thing, but homework in the sense where the looks that were created in the modules and in the classes, we would have to recreate those looks and submit them as homework. And the best thing about it is that you get graded by the lecturer assigned to you. My lecturer was Alina, and after I submitted my work, she recorded a message especially for me, telling me what she liked about what I did and giving me tips on how to rectify what I did wrong. And I think that is super cool because I'm not in the classroom, but that sort of gave the learning experience of being in a classroom, and that like there's a teacher who's there for support. I could contact them if I was struggling. Not to forget to mention that all the lecturers on Online Makeup Academy are world-renowned makeup artists that have worked with some of the biggest magazines and the biggest productions in the world. So that is very important because we are learning from the best of the best. And obviously when you get the tea straight from the best, you can only get the best skills ever because these people know exactly what they're doing. Doing your own makeup is very much different from doing another person's makeup. But in this course, I learned how to color correct. So there is a color wheel, and this color wheel will tell you how to offset certain colors. I did not know that I could use colors like green or purple or red in my makeup, but that color wheel module, baby, it taught me how to use colors to correct certain colors. So if I wanted to hide hyperpigmentation, or if I wanted to conceal dark circles and dark spots, then that color wheel shows me what I need to use in order to offset the colors. Skin preparation, which is something I'm very passionate about. Skin prep helps the makeup sit better on skin, and I thoroughly enjoyed that segment because now I know how to better prepare the skin for makeup. I also learned how to place makeup on the face, but also to work with different face shapes. The thing is, when you do your own makeup, it's very easy because you know the shape of your face, you know the shape of your brows. But as a professional makeup artist, you will be working with different shapes of faces, different shapes of brows. And what these modules did for me was to guide me through that. Working with different skins was also one of the modules, and I didn't know that there was different makeup for different skins. I just thought foundations are one size fits all, but I learned that you have to use a different foundation for dry skin and a different foundation for oily skin. That you have to do different skin prep for dry skin, and you have to do different skin prep for oily or combination skin, and that was very interesting. So now obviously the whole course has to do with makeup, but what I liked about it is the fact that they also focused on teaching me how to brand myself as a makeup artist, you know, because branding is everything. They also have a dummy contract because I know nothing about contracts. I didn't even know that as a makeup artist, when you do bridal makeup, you should have an agreement or a contract in place. They have a standard document that you can use. Obviously, you can tweak it a bit to suit your personal needs or your client's needs. But I think that's amazing because then you have an idea in mind of how this agreement should look like. I am now equipped to become a makeup artist. I also like that I still have access to the course after I have completed it, so I can go back to the notes or I can go back to the modules, so I can just, you know, reverse and get the tips that I need or get the guidance that I need. And just like that, my secret is out. The reason my makeup has been looking so much better in my videos and my pictures and in real life is because I have been working on completing the master makeup program with Online Makeup Academy. The look I created today is from one of the looks in the modules. I did tweak it a bit because I was using my own products and I tried to make it my own, but it turned out so beautifully. So that is the video. I absolutely love how the look came out, but you would also realize that my makeup skills have become so much better. In my pictures you have seen, and this is because I am busy with the course and I'm learning so much about doing makeup. Currently I am only practicing on myself, but I do intend on implementing what I learned or trying what I learned on other people, because the whole aim of this was for me to dabble in being a professional makeup artist, which is something I want to do. So now I've got the theory part down, I need to put it into practice. But you will see one of these days I will be doing a face on the channel. Thank you so much to Online Makeup Academy for collaborating with me on this video. And I do hope other people on my channel will take up this course. I highly recommend it. If you want to take up the course, then you can click on the links in the description box. But also don't forget to use my coupon code PALESAM so you can get $100 off. It is going to do a great deal for you if you are a makeup artist. I hope you enjoyed this video and let me know in the comment section down below.